This is Joe Wolverton reporting for the New American. Last weekend, I was privileged to attend the convention for the Constitutional Sheriffs and Peace Officers Association, the CSPOA, which was held in St. Charles, Missouri. The purpose of this year's convention was to inform sheriffs and other lawmakers of their responsibility and their ability to serve as the ultimate check on the growing invasiveness of the federal government. The over 500 sheriffs, lawmen, and lawmakers in attendance received information on topics ranging from nullification to the ability of county sheriffs to serve as the ultimate executives within their jurisdiction. This year's convention seemed particularly successful in that not only was there an increased attendance over last year's convention, but the sheriffs seemed more engaged, more anxious to receive particular instruction as to how to aid state lawmakers in combating federal overreach and how nullification can serve on a county and local level as well as on a state level. Particularly, sheriffs learned that the National Defense Authorization Act, signed into law by President Barack Obama on December 31st, 2011, which enables the president to deploy military troops to arrest and indefinitely detain American citizens, can be effectively thwarted and nullified by sheriffs who refuse to participate in the apprehension and detention of American citizens held in violation of their due process rights. The one message that sheriffs seem to receive over and over again from the various speeches given at the CSPOA conference was that, first, the Supremacy Clause does not make all federal laws supreme to all state and local laws. In fact, federal acts are only supreme to state and local acts when they are made in pursuance of their constitutional authority. When the federal government acts outside of the narrow boundaries placed on its power in the Constitution, state and local governments are within their constitutional rights to pass laws holding as null, void, and no legal effect any such unconstitutional federal act. Sheriffs and lawmakers were instructed that these nullification acts are not only constitutionally and legally sound, but are necessary if we are to preserve freedom in the United States. For more information on the convention and on the Constitutional Sheriffs and Peace Officers Association, visit thenewamerican.com. This is Joe Wolverton reporting for the New American.